friends, welcome to my channel SG Justin. So today I'm gonna show you how to edit and manipulate pictures using PicsArt. So today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful manipulation of holding a moon in my hand using Android or iOS application PicsArt. I'll be giving the link to download the app from the Play Store in the description. So our first step is selecting the bulb. Here I have used a common LED bulb of this shape. This is an ordinary LED bulb which you can find in any provision or stationery or electrical appliances stores, or even you can find it in any online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So after selecting the suitable bulb, we can go to our next step, that is clicking the picture. So moving on to our second step, that is clicking the picture. The bulb is switched on and hold the bulb in a suitable angle which you feel it's good. I took in this angle as I feel it's better. You can try your own styles or angles or however you feel it's good. And the dark background which you are seeing now is because of the manual focus which I have changed in my smartphone camera settings. You can change it from autofocus to manual focus. Try to make it much darker so that the bulb will look like perfectly like a moon. After focusing, we can click the picture, and after clicking the picture it will look somewhat like this. So now we can move to our final step, which is editing. But before that, you have to download the picture of an exact moon from the Google or Pinterest or Shutterstock or wherever you feel it's good. Here I am downloading from Pinterest application. Open the app, go to the search option, type the keyword and download the image. There will be many pictures, but find the exact one, like of a circle one. And I have downloaded this image, so let's move on to the editing. Go to your gallery and share the pictures which we have clicked before to the PicsArt application. Hope you can catch it from here. and after editing it will look somewhat like this. For more manipulations and editing tutorials, subscribe to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube, so if you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel SD Justin and follow me on Instagram at SD Justin. Thank you and stay tuned.